Hello everyone. Again, we are going to start some medieval period. Okay, so this is the medieval period we are going to start. Okay, so medieval period के कुछ questions we are going to solve. So question number Mughal painting reached in zenith of. Okay, so Mughal painting जब zenith पर पहुंची थी. When it was in a zenith, the time period was Jahangir. So Jahangir के टाइम में zenith में गई थी. Mughal painting reached to the zenith. The emperor of Jahangir and the Jahangir claimed that he could identify the painter just looking at the work. In medieval India, Mansabdari system was introduced, effective cleaning administration. So Mansabdari for cleaning of the administration. For cleaning of administration. Cleaning of the administration. Okay, so Mansabdari Akbar introduced by the Akbar and noble civil plus military capacity. So it is showing the noble they are the civil plus military capacity. There is a Jat and Savar. Okay. Prem Vatika poem of Krishna was composed by Ras Khan. So Ras Khan was a person who composed the poem. Name was the Prem Vatika. Okay, name was the Prem Vatika. So Ras Khan was a Hindu devotional poet and singer. Kabir was in 15th century. He was a mystic poet saint whose writing influenced the Hinduism in the Bhakti movement. So Kabir was also mystic. He was also the mystic. After consolidation his power, Balban assumed the grand title of that was Jille Ilahi. So Balban was for Jille Ilahi. Okay. So Balban he was saying that Jille Ilahi, that is shadow of God, and referred to the Amir Khusro. Deen Ilahi was the religious foundation by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Name was Deen Ilahi, and this is from the Akbar. This is composition of the Akbar. Kesare Hind was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Kesare Hind, it was the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The head of the military department under the recognition of the administration of Akbar, that was Mir Bakshi. Head of the military department recognizing the machinery of administration of Akbar reign, that was the Mir Bakshi. So it was the financial revenue ministry. Mir Sama was the official charge of the imperial household and the workshop for the producing the goods for the place of the arsenal. The sponsors and the most prominent figure of the Chishti was the Sufi of the Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. So Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, and it was the sponsored. They sponsored this. Okay. And the Chishti order take its name from village Chishti Ajmer. That is actually false. That is the Herat. Chishti order was come from the Herat, not from the Chishti village of Ajmer. Okay. So Garib Nawaz meaning the benefiter of the poor. Chishti saint is the Moinuddin Chishti, popularly known as the Garib Nawaz. Garib Nawaz. It was the Herat, Afghanistan. Name was the Herat, Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Okay. The medieval Indian writer who referred to the discovery of America that was Abu Fajl. Abul Fajl. Abul Fajl was the refer to the discovery of America. So book name was the Discovery of America, and this book was written by the Abul Fajl. Okay, and it was the Padmavat. Malik Muhammad Jaisi brought the Padmavat. So Padmavat that was written by the Malik Muhammad Jaisi. Malik Muhammad Jaisi and Nuh Sipar Tughlaqnama from the Tughlaq. The Badami rock inscription of the Pulkeshian first dated in the Saka era. Okay. So where to be the dated Vikram Samvat the year would be? So it will 601 because Badami Samvat was in the 465. Okay. Plus it was in the Saka era, so 78. Plus it is asking where to be the dated Vikram Samvat, so 58. So total of all of that will be the 601. So that will be its answer. They all are the old questions. They all are the very old question. But still we are solving because it increases our mental ability and our confidence to solve a new type of the question which can come in future also. मैं ना अमित से